Okay, here's the 2013 ZL1 Camaro. There goes the mileage, 2,300 miles. Let me just show you the oil pressure here is good. Oil pressure's on top there. ZL1 Hennessy is done. Yeah?
Yeah, you got anything?
I got an Escalade. What year is this, Dave?
70.
And it's a Hemi Cuda, convertible. You've had this thing for 30 years?
40.
40 years? Boy, that's nice. Can we look at the engine? Goodness.
Boy, oh boy.
Does everybody ask you that question? Is it really a Hemi engine?
Or is it just me?
Oh.
ZL1 Camaro, Hennessy, 700 horsepower, convertible.
Powered Hennessy.
Yeah.
Look at it says on the seat, ZL1.
ZL1. My God. Let me show you another thing about it. It says ZL1 back here, and it says John Hennessy. How about that? Get you some of that. The car's got 13,000 miles on it. There's a mean dog. '84 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur Turbo R. Go ahead, Henry. Just got this 1965 Thunderbird in. It's got 71,000 miles on it. It's a pretty clean car. It's in California. Camaro ZL1. It's only got 6,000 miles and it's got a good title. It's a standard. Hit the front and underneath the suspension. It's like brand new. We got this other one in this morning, the 2012 ZL1. It's got the front end we need for the red one here. Caught on fire in the back, interior. Oh, it's got a tire under the hood. It's a convertible GT. Come on back. brakes in the front, Kelsey hated. 4-piston calipers, come on. Yeah, it's a little wiped out, but this is all the parts we need for that white car. We waited a whole year and a half before we found this. Oh, it's got the Lux interior. Molded door panels. Does it got the ponies? Let me see. It's got the ponies. Let me check. Pony seats?
Yep. Look at the power top switch right there.
Oh, there you go. Electric power top. We need all that stuff.
You guys' foot's down there.
Yeah, leave it alone.
Got a triple light.
Let me see. Let me see.
Real GT.
Okay, you want to see Mark's race car, his Nova? That was a badass car. 816 in the quarter mile. Watch it again. Tell me what you got. Wow, Shelby.
The data plate's here, Tony.
It's still there?
Fucking ain't got. Somebody stole the Shelby tag.
I knew that was going
The
to happen.
rivets are fucking gone.
Oh,
Look,
they
it's got
pried the
Cobra-
tags off.
Tony, it's
What?
got the Cobra intake and everything. See
Oh,
there?
good. It's a real.
It's got the original carb. Somebody stole the bowl off it.
It probably
It's
melted.
got the original carburetor on it. Look at this up here. Look. The fan. Everything's there. Look at the data plate's there. Huh?
This is 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
70?
70, correct, yeah. So only the red cars have a red shaker.
Really?
In 70, if they were any other color than red, they had an argent colored shaker.
Wow, this even got the Enduro bumper in the front. Yeah, that's a cool car. Is it a convertible?
Yeah, it's a
Oh my goodness.
And it's a hockey stripe car, they call it.
Is it?
In factory hockey stripe, yeah.
It's automatic.
It's a column shift, too.
Oh,
I bought it for racing.
Really?
No, it's lighter. Take the column,
Tell us more.
And then, that's about all I know. If I didn't know so much about these cars, I wouldn't buy it. But I know enough to know it's all here. Look at this. That's the only thing. This ain't original, but these are, you can get these on from AMK.
Sanderson Ford. Don
See,
Sanderson Ford.
here's the
Arizona.
Snorkel. That's Snorkel S tube, and that's the one that goes, everything's here. The exhaust manifolds, everything.
This car sold new for $4,160.
Oh,
That's the Windows sticker.
Did you take a picture of it too?
Yeah, I got a picture of it. 69 Mach 1, 428 Super Cobra jet. Look at this. DSO. The special order. Paint. This is a 70. Paint. On a 69.